Want to discover how to blow up your YouTube channel and start making some serious money? Are you a content creator on YouTube looking to crack the code of success? Look no further than Mr. Beast. With over 150 million subscribers and billions of views, he has become a household name in the world of YouTube. But what is the secret behind his success? In this video, we will delve into the strategies and techniques that Mr. Beast has used to achieve his remarkable success, and how you can apply them to your own content. In this video, we will cover the top 4 easy but powerful Mr. Beast success secrets. Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, started his YouTube journey back in 2012 while he was in high school. Initially, he started with gaming videos, but he quickly realized that gaming wasn't his passion. Throughout his early years on YouTube, Mr. Beast experimented with different types of content until he tried out challenges and stunts. He saw that these videos had a viral potential and appealed to his target audience, which led to a significant increase in views and subscribers. But before we go straight to his secret, let's find out how much Mr. Beast earns per month from his channel as of 2023. If you go to Social Blade and search for Mr. Beast, then you will see that he is earning over $5 million every single month from ad revenue alone. And he's getting over 1 billion views and over 7 million subscribers every single month. And this is really crazy. So what is the secret behind his success? Let's find out. His first secret is creating a unique content. Mr. Beast's content is anything but ordinary. He is known for his creative and often outrageous videos, which capture the attention of his viewers. Whether it's giving away large sums of money to strangers, or spending 24 hours in a haunted house, Mr. Beast's content is always unique and captivating, and the main thing you can learn from this point is creating unique content is a key to success. You need to create a unique and your own content. We see so many people copying others' videos and re-uploading them to YouTube. However, this strategy doesn't work and they are getting no views at all. Let us take as an example these two channels. This channel is the original one and this channel is the copy one. This channel has got over 30,000 subscribers and this one has got 0 subscribers. So be unique and create unique content and you are good to go. And that brings us to the next step. The second key to Mr. Beast's success is consistency. He uploads videos on a regular basis, often several times a week, and rarely takes a break. This consistency has helped him to build a loyal fan base who know they can count on him for new content. Following this, we will proceed to the third step. His third secret is engaging with fans. That simply means relating to the audience. Mr. Beast has built a strong sense of community around his channel. He responds to comments, reaches out to his audience, and always engages in his content. He knows how to relate to his audience and makes them feel like they are part of his family. When his fans comment, he replies back, and this makes them feel like they matter, and their opinions are valued. And that brought us to the final step. The fourth secret to Mr. Beast's success is understanding the YouTube algorithm. Mr. Beast always stays up to date with the algorithm changes and updates and adapts his content accordingly. He has a team dedicated to researching the algorithm to ensure that his videos get recommended to more people and get higher engagement rates. To bring all the things together, we can learn a lot from Mr. Beast's success secrets. He has built an empire based on his dedication to the YouTube community, his understanding of the algorithm, and his commitment to creating new and unique content. Mr. Beast inspires us to take risks, try new things, and above all, stay true to our passion. I hope you guys have found this video helpful and learned something new about Mr. Beast and his road to YouTube success. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our new channel. Thanks for watching.